Okay, so what we're going to do right now is we're going to learn how to create galleries and upload your images. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to login.abandonedok.com. What you're going to see is you're going to see this login screen. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in the username and password that I gave you, and then hit the login button. And once it's loaded, you'll see this dashboard, which clearly is where this video is, and you'll actually see a bunch of other information added as we go that gives you kind of information on how to add things. So what you'll see over here on the left is several different things: dashboard, posts, comments, profile, tools, and gallery. What we're going to do in this video is talk about the gallery. In order to upload your images and create a gallery, first you have to make a gallery. A gallery actually doesn't have anything to do with your images. It's basically just a folder on the server where your images will be stored. So the first thing you need to do is create that folder. So if you click on Add Gallery/Images, it will open up a page that'll allow you to create your gallery and also upload your images. Okay, so here you see Add New Gallery. So this is where we're going to create that folder name. So for this example, I'm going to use Bank Drive-In. Just going to type the name here, and then I'm going to click Add Gallery. Okay, so once the gallery's been completed, you can see that it's been successfully created. Okay, so now we need to add images to that folder. So we can do this several ways. We can upload a zip file, or we can upload images individually. So for this example, I'm going to show you how to do both. So I've already zipped a file up, so we're going to navigate on our computer to where that zip file is. So click on the Choose File button. It may say Browse. Navigate to where the file is on your computer. And here is my zip file, so I'm going to hit Choose. There's my zip file. And then down here, we want to add those files or those images into which gallery? The one that we just created, Bank Drive-In. We're going to hit Start Upload. Now your zip file can only be 8 megs or less. So if your images are more than 500K a piece, best idea is to resize all your images and then zip the file. Or if you have larger files or larger images, you can make multiple zip files and just do it this way. So you'll see that 14 pictures have been successfully added, and now it's going to try and create thumbnails for each of those images. This process can sometimes take a second or two, and you may see these errors like we just did. Usually the errors are just with creating the thumbnails. The images are actually already uploaded, as you see there. It's just having some problems creating thumbnails, which we can fix here in a second. And now once those thumbnails are done being created, you can see that all these errors occurred. But just for the sake of this demonstration, we'll go over that here in just a second, but I'm going to show you how to do it individually. So if you click on this Upload Images tab, you can upload images individually. Just like that, you select them and then upload them, and then also the same thing, add to the thing, and then hit the Upload Images button. And when you click on that Upload Images button, it will upload all of the images you have right here. You can actually, go through and do multiple files if you want. Okay, so now that we have all of our images uploaded, we're going to go over here to Manage Gallery. Once our gallery opens up, you will see all the different galleries on the site. You'll notice that the new ones are posted last, so we need to go to the last page, which is where the one we just created will be. Now you'll see that the very last one here, the only one we're able to edit, is the one we created, which is the Bank Drive-In. So if I click on that, it'll open up the Bank Drive-In gallery that we created. Now, as the page continues to load, you're going to see the thumbnails start to show up. And if you scroll down, you'll see that most of our thumbnails are there, but there's a couple that aren't. That's because of those errors when we uploaded. And sometimes this happens, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes you'll get errors and all the thumbnails will be there. So there's a quick way to fix all of these. If you only had one or two, sometimes the best way to do it is just by clicking this little Edit Thumb button. you'll see it'll open up this little window right here that gives you the option to create a new thumb. And you can click over here and drag, and you'll see your thumb being updated over there on the right. So we can make our own thumb, kind of set it right there, and then just hit the update button. Then you'll see that the thumbnail has been updated. We can go ahead and close this window, and now you'll see that the thumbnail has been updated. But when there's multiple thumbnails that you need to have repaired, you can click on each one, just select the little checkbox to the left, and then up at the top here, you have these actions. Right here, we can click Create New Thumbnails. We'll hit OK. It'll warn us here that we're going to do it for 3 images. I'm going to hit OK, and then you'll notice that it is going to start creating 3 new thumbnails. And now if you scroll down, it didn't actually create any of those thumbnails. Actually, it may have. We need to hit Save Changes. And now if we scroll down, well, it got all but 2 of them, so let's try it again. Sometimes this happens when there's a lot of people on the site. Now if we scroll down, we'll see all of our thumbnails are there. So there you have it. That's how you create a gallery.